Eyebrows is the beauty to your face. Your face is the beauty to your body. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Deck Beauty. Today I want to show you how to draw the trendy eyebrows. Yes, I have there with me brow timer. That gel is called brow timer. Some people call it brows gel. Yes, then take a little bit of the brows gel with the brows brush and apply it. Make sure you brush it gradually, brush everything up. Just brush it. Focus your eyes on my hand so that you understand this video is just for brows. It's for brows. Because when you know how to draw brow, face makeup is easier. It all depends how you now want it. If you want loud or natural makeup, no problem at all. So, but if you can learn how to draw brows, your eyebrow, when your eyebrow is perfect, you have that confidence. Yes, it's very easy. Use that gel to brush it and leave it to dry like a minute. Let it dry like a minute. Use that gel to brush it up and leave it to dry. Okay guys, in case you want to watch my full video how to apply makeup face on your face step by step, I have the video as well. They are on my YouTube channel. Go and check them on my YouTube channel. I have it. It's titled episode 1 to episode 7. I split the video into 7 places. That is the reason I titled those video episode 1 and to episode 7. Guys, okay, once your brows is dry with the brow gel, you take your pencil. This is brown pencil. So, if you want to draw your pencil, you trace the line. Because this, my customer, she already do threading on her face. I always tell them on my platform, don't ever, if you are a lady, don't ever, yes guys, if you are a lady, don't ever leave your brows bushing, your natural brows bushing. Always do threading, or you can use razor blade to always line it, so that if you want to draw your brows, you will just trace the line on the bottom and on the upper side. It's easy to draw when you already line your brows already. Give your brows the shape. Okay, now we are creating stroke. So what I'm doing there is I'm just drawing line. Yes, use your pencil to create that line. Don't shade it too dark. That is the reason we create that stroke there, that line. But if you shade it, just shade, like you are just scrubbing it, the brows will look is too dark. When you give the when you apply it line by line, you draw it line by line, you will now see that the brows look so natural. Yes guys, by the time you draw the upper side, draw the lower sides, you start creating that line. See the way I'm doing it? Line, take it, just draw line. Because it will be easier for you on one condition. When you go, you see the lines I'm drawing now. Yes, that one is optional. Many people don't like it, but in case you like it, because it's the trendy one, just create extra 4 lines there. So these brows, the secret is always go to barber salon, or you go and meet them in the salon hair shop. Tell them to help you to line your brows for you. When your brows is line, they shave it. It will be easy for you to draw. Okay guys, now I'm using concealer. That concealer palette, I have it, I sell it, is very good. So you use the the color that is not too bright, use it from the beginning and clean the damp part. Use concealer. Don't use bright one that is brighter than her skin. Use this color that is darker than her skin, or use the color that is close to her skin, but not the one that is lighter than her skin. So the best way is you must have like two color of concealer if you don't have the palette. So right now from my palette, I'm going to use the brighter color. So to finish from the middle, then to just clean it to the wing side. Yes, to the tail. You know, bras have tail. Yes, guys, that is all I can say, because to explain is not easy. What I just need from you, just focus your eyes, see what I am doing there. You will learn one or two things. And always use flat brush. Use flat brush to clean your brows. Don't use big brush. Use small flat brush. So by the time you finish the other part, I always tell people, know how to position your hand. Is very easy. And if you want to do your makeup, if you are a beginner, it's better you do your brows before the face. It's more easier for you. Do your brows and your eyeshadow before the whole face. Okay, as you can observe, you see the brighter color. You can see the difference between the color I used from the beginning. The one I'm using now is more lighter. So you can now spread this lighter one all over the eye bulb area, the eyeshadow area. Yes, guys, this is my little way of explanation. I have many videos on my YouTube channel and my Facebook. I have different head wrap. Yes, in case you like to learn any gele on your head, different styles of gele, I have them on my YouTube channel and my Facebook. So yes, what I'm doing now, I'm just trying to make sure I blend the edge, I straight the lines, then like this, the damp part is ready. So we are going to clean the upper side. If you want to clean the upper side, I always tell people, don't use concealer. So what I do, I just take little bit of the brow gel to just brush it one more time. Just little bit. Just brush it one more time. Okay, because this is brows tutorial, that is the reason I just do it immediately. But if it's full face, what I do is I do that after the whole of the makeup. Okay, what I have there with me is a foundation and flat brush. I don't use concealer to do the upper side. I normally use the shade of her foundation to clean the upper side. With that, you can now spread the excess of the foundation all over the face, on top of the face, because it's foundation. When it's foundation, you can spread it. Foundation is easier to blend. When you use concealer, it's not easy at all to blend. When you use concealer for the top, the upper side, is the best way is always use foundation. I hope you are enjoying this discussion. This my gist. I can say it's a gist. I can say it's explanation. So for me, because these days Facebook always give me copyright, and I just make this video. I say to myself, I will be using my voice on top of all my video for now. By the time I finish editing this video, I'm going to post it on my Facebook, then I'll still post it on my YouTube, so that I will just have rest of mind. The music is not the what we are learning. What we are learning is the content, what I am creating and what I am teaching. Yes, all you need is to focus. Guys, yes, as you can see, our bras are ready. Our bras are ready. She is ready. Yes, we give different type of makeup. How you want it, I give it to you. If you want to learn how to do full face makeup, I have all the video. Contact me for your event. See you on my next video. We are many in one service. We do makeup, we do gele, we do traditional bridal hair okuku for marriage. We sell oil, perfume as well. We sell makeup products. These are our service. We sell makeup products. I'm available to travel. See you on my next video.